Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you already saw from the title, we will unbox the new, the trending edit box from CultBeauty. The trending edit box worth over £110 and is yours for only £30. Inside we will find 6 products, 3 of them are full-size products and the rest 3 products are in travel size. The CultBeauty says that this box is filled with a beauty superstar that have gone viral time and time again on TikTok. Okay guys, the box is here, I am ready. Let's find out which are the viral products on TikTok. As usual, I will insert on the screen the size of each product from the box. First viral product is from Glow Recipe, Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops Highlighting Serum. Achieve a magical glow with this versatile instant skincare highlighter that illuminates skin under or over makeup. Inspired by Korean makeup artists' go-to glowing tricks, this lightweight gel helps you achieve an ultra-reflective complexion immediately and over time with antioxidant-rich watermelon, brightening niacinamide, and hydrating hyaluronic acid. May be used as a face serum, as a face primer, also may be mixed with foundation for a dewy finish, or may be applied as a highlighter. Product number 2 is a product that I know well, is from Supergoop, the Glow Screen with SPF 30. Providing sun protection and a glow finish, the Glow Screen SPF 30 shields skin from UVA and UVB rays. The sheer skin perfecting formula creates a dewy layer for later makeup application. Well, I have this product and I cannot say that is amazing. The formula is nice, is lightweight, is applying easy, but I don't like how it looks on my skin. It looks a bit greasy for what I like to wear. Product number 3 is from Paulas Choice, Exfoliate. 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid, is made for all skin types, unclogs and shrinks enlarged pores, smooths uneven skin tone. Is ideal for blemish-prone, oily or combination types. This gentle formula stars BHA salicylic acid to help reduce breakout and blackheads. Product number 4 is from a brand that I like, is from CultBeauty, Energetic C+, Instant Detox Mask, tightens pores, removes excess oil. A must for congested skin, this refining treatment contains rose clay, grape mark, and papaya enzymes to draw out impurities and toxins, leaving your skin looking more clear and radiant. Product number 5 is from Too Faced, their popular Lip Injection Extreme, Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper. Gain visible results with this serum-like gloss inspired by medically proven blood vessel dilating technology, which makes lip look bigger, brighter and healthy, giving a slight tingling sensation as it works. About this product I heard different opinions. That is amazing, someone said that is not. Did you try this product? If yes, let us know what do you think about it. Your opinion will help a lot. And the last, product number 6, is a hairspray from Color Wow, Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, the ultimate humidity resistant hair care hero. This innovative spray seals each strand with an invisible waterproofing cloak, perfect for preventing frizz and flyaways. Its effects even last through 3 to 4 washes. We unboxed the trending edit box from CultBeauty. What do you think guys about this beauty box? Did you like it? Which is your favorite product from the box? Mine is the Dream Coat Supernatural Spray from Color Wow. I am curious about the lip injection from Too Faced and about the Glow Recipe Dew Drops. And this was today's video. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!